Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's talk about the Jordan 5 by Jordan Brand in the Tokyo T23 colorway. These were released on the 27th of September 2025 for the retail price of £190 here in the UK. It comes in a standard black cement print box with a red Jumpman on the lid. The shoes come wrapped in black plastic with an extra set of white laces. I would have preferred a special box, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Jordan 5 turns 35 in 2025, a lot of fives. And Jordan Brand has brought back some OG colorways, some cool collabs, as well as a retro for this highly sorted Tokyo 23 colorway. The shoe was originally released exclusively in Japan back in 2011 to celebrate the opening of the Jordan Tokyo 23 boutique along with a special basketball tournament. With its limited quantities, it became a grail, also due to its striking design. This 2025 retro shares the same maize yellow nubuck upper, 3M reflective silver tongue, and a black Jumpman logo at the heel. One standout feature is the lateral heels embroidered 23 in Japanese kanji character, which adds a unique cultural appeal, plus the yellow splatters on the shark tooth midsole and the special T3 insoles were a nice touch. A notable difference from the original is the yellow accent on the rubber toe of the outsole. On feet, I recommend staying true to size. As much as I was looking forward to this release, I do admit I was feeling a little bit let down. I'm not sure if you can see on the video, but I found that the yellow suede tones felt a little bit uneven and quite distracting. Also, I noticed that one of my insoles were quite scuffed, but hey, maybe I was just a little bit unlucky. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment Tokyo to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Did you miss out? Personally, I'm saving my coins for some future releases, and the quality control issues on this pair made it a lot easier to do that. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.